Hi everyone, my name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Ordinary Glycolipid cleanser. And so this is one of the cleansers I'm currently using. That's why I thought, you know what, it would be nice to come out here and give you a review. So if you're considering buying it, I'll let you know the pros, the cons. Basically, I'll just tell you all about this cleanser. And so in a nutshell, this is a gentle cleanser. It's a creamy cleanser. And what it does is that it gently removes makeup such as foundation, mascara, lipsticks and all that. It's a creamy base cleanser, like I said before, and it's suitable for all skin types. It's made from plant-derived glycolipids, and glycolipids is the major ingredient. So it's formulated to respect the skin's natural pH. So this is what this cleanser is all about in a nutshell. And so like every other cleansers, this is the first step. So basically this is one of the products you use to prep your face before you proceed with other skincare products. And how you want to use this is by, dispensing some amount on your palm, then massage your palms together, apply it on dry face, not wet face because it's creamy, and then you take your time, massage your entire face. If you've got a lot of makeup on, take your time, massage your face, massage your lips. Be careful for it not to get into your mouth, and then massage your eyes so it would take off mascara. And when you're done massaging, you rinse off with lukewarm water. If you have a lot of makeup on, I would suggest that you use this as your first cleanse before you go in with your second cleanse. So what do I mean by this? In my case, if I have a lot of makeup on, what I'm going to do is I will apply this straight on the makeup, massage everything in, rinse it off, and go in with a foaming cleanser or any other kind of cleanser I want to use just to thoroughly cleanse my skin. But if you do not have makeup on and you just want to use this as a general cleanser, what you would do in essence is just apply it on dry face, just as you would do if you had makeup on. Massage it thoroughly, spend some time, say like 60 seconds massaging your face, and then you rinse thoroughly. So another way I use this is by using the muslin cloth to rinse off, to take it off basically. So I would wet it with the muslin cloth or just whatever you have that you use to take off cleansing balms. That's what you want to use when it's damp, to wipe this cleanser off, then rinse it. I find out that works for me better. So this cleanser, like they say, is suitable for all skin types, but I will say this will really work well for people with dry skin or sensitized skin, or when maybe your skin barrier is compromised. This would be a very good cleanser to use because it doesn't disrupt the skin's pH, so it's very gentle on the skin. In essence, it doesn't strip the skin of its oils. But I would say if you've got oily skin, this would come in handy as a first cleanse before you go in with your foaming cleanser. But having this alone as your only cleanser if you have oily skin, it won't be the best for you, to be honest. But as a first cleanse, if you've got oily skin, if you've got a lot of makeup on and all that, this will really be good. And how much does this glycolipid cleanser cost? This one is 150 ml. So this costs £11.50. Yes, so that's what you get. And to be honest, I think I've been using this for getting to 3 weeks now, and I'm sure it would take me maybe for another 2 weeks plus, because I use a reasonable amount, and maybe I think I use this almost every day. Yes, I use this almost every day, because nowadays I'm all about barrier protection, so I don't use a lot of foaming cleansers, and this works just fine for me. So that's it for this cleanser. What do I think about it? Like I said, the pros is that it is amazing for people. It will be like people with dry skin will really benefit from this because it's non-stripping, and people with compromised barrier, okay, what I mean by a compromised barrier is, those cases whereby you over exfoliate your skin, or suddenly you feel that anything you put on your skin starts to sting. sort of cleanser will come in handy. Or if you're new if you use tretinoin or all these ingredients, skincare ingredients that are highly drying, this would be a very good cleanser to use alongside those stripping ingredients, if you get what I mean. But if you've got oily skin, this might not be the best choice for you unless you want to use this as your first cleanse. So I hope you guys understand what I mean. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention it has no fragrance to it. And okay, maybe I should just put some on the back of my hand so you guys can see. I'll just put a little so you see. It just looks like a light, basically the consistency is very light. It's just like a very lightweight lotion, so it is non-greasy and it doesn't contain alcohol, because we know that alcohol generally dries the skin. It is vegan and it is non-comedogenic. In essence, it means that it does not clog the pores, amongst other things. So I'm just going to quickly dash off now and rinse my hand, because this is a cleanser, it's not a moisturizer. I can't leave it on. Yes, so I'll be right back. So now here's how to incorporate this cleanser into your skincare routine. This is always the first step in your skincare routine. So it's used to prepare your skin, like I said. So you use it to cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, you proceed to using your treatments and then moisturizers, then SPF. So straight to the point, this is always the number one step. And do not mistaken this for moisturizer, because in this kind of situations. So I hope you found this video really helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. If you want me to do any comparison, videos on other cleansers, maybe this cleanser against other cleansers, let me know. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.